Kasi kahit sa household namin, sa area core household ng NCR South, every time we have a topic about Mama Mary, talagang natatapos yung household namin na inspire kami because there are a lot of revelations, there are a lot of mga share ng mga kapatid natin how Mama Mary made miraculous intervention doon sa buhay nila. And just like anyone else, ako may kwento din ako. Let me share my story. I attribute my faith as a married man because of Mama Mary. More than 30 years ago, a pretty girl came to office. The first time na nakita ko siya sa office, I was just about 2 or 3 months in the office that time sa San Miguel. Nakita ko yung babae, nakasmile. Hindi niya alam to. Nakasmile siya.
Revelation ba?
And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito ang babaeng mapapangasawa.
Talaga.
And then, little did I know, lahat pala ng mga bachelors doon sa office ay nagkakagusto sa kanya. Hindi ko alam yun. And then, maraming stories kasi marites na tayo nung unang panahon.
Competition.
Nalalaman ko, yung mga bachelors sa office namin came in different sizes and different characters. Iba-iba, may mga cartoon characters pa nga eh. Hopefully, hindi ako sa mga isa doon. But I know na hindi ako sa kasing puti ni Brother Dino. So medyo yung laban, mahirap, very competitive kumbaga. Pero nalaman ko, yung si Sutor ganyan, si logistics guy, nabasted. Si planner, nabasted. Si accountant, nabasted. Yung head ng logistics, nabasted.
Wow.
It came several years yun, matagal yun.
Dami.
And then narinig ko sa mga kaibigan niya.
Yes, sa kanya, mahirap
Iba talaga ang pogi.
maganda naman ngayon topic.
And then narinig ko sa mga kwento ng mga kaibigan niya, yung nanay daw niya, pinupush na siya mag-asawa. Kasi that was about 1988 and she was about 24, 25. And then came, mga 28 na siya, sabi ng nanay niya, umalis ka na sa bahay ng mag-asawa. Sabi daw ng nanay niya, kinikwento lang naman. At when I share this to the full-time workers, yung mga inaanak ko ngayon na nandito, ang parati ko sinasabi sa kanila before was tithing is very important in marriage and in courtship. And for me, that was the reason why I was able to find the right time to pursue Edna at that time. Pero ang hindi ko nasasabi sa kanila ay the reason why I was able to be successful in pursuing Edna was because of Mama Mary. Kasi, hindi ko lang alam. Kasi si Edna, nalaman ko na may devotion siya kay Mama Mary that time. Every Wednesday, she made it a point na umattend ng novena doon sa church before going home. And then what I did was, I just really asked her if I can join her doon sa kanyang novena. Every Wednesday. Kasi yung boss ko before doon sa office na yun, ay parating umiinom, hindi naman ako nahilig uminom eh. Kaya tinatakasan ko siya. And my way to get out of the office ay dala-dala ko na yung pick-up ko. Yung mga pick-up ng mga San Miguel, alam mo yung mga ganun pick-up na time before. Yung Nissan na mahaba. Pag ano ng alas 5, ano na kami ni Edna, nandun na kami sa simbahan. Masarap ng Park Brothers and Sisters is yung sa pag nag-aalma namin, syempre hawak mo yung kamay. But seriously speaking, Mama Mary was really an influence to our marriage. And I think si Edna, di naman ako nga kagandahang lalaki. Pero I think what took Edna to me was because nakikita din niya na I had a devotion with Mama Mary. So yun, so malaki talagang influence ni Mama Mary. And I'm sure every one of us would have your own stories to tell about how Mama Mary intervened in your married life, in your relationships, sa mga anak natin, sa ating service. Isa din yan sa mga pinagdadasal ko na sana yung mga chapter servants namin. Kami dito sa South, I attended this session with a challenge. Kasi after this session, meron kaming one-time, big-time NER1 and CST chapter servants next month. And you know how times are difficult these days. And registration namin is 2,100. So it's difficult that they have to pay the registration now and they have to pay again the registration. But God is so good. Alam namin na through the intercession of Mama Mary, magiging successful kami sa event namin na ang tawag namin ay Refresh. Amen?
Amen.
So with that, brothers and sisters, let us all stand.